All of you, good morning. In this video, we are going to discuss plus 2 chemistry lesson number 1. Name of this lesson is metallurgy. Some important question answer according to reduced syllabus. First question: what are the difference between the minerals and ores? This is very important question. A naturally occurring substance obtained by mining which contain the metal in the free state or in the form of compounds like oxides and sulfides is called as a minerals. Ores: minerals that contain a high percentage of metal from which it can be extracted conveniently and economically are called as a ores. All minerals are not ores, but all ores are minerals. Next question, this is also very important. What are the various steps involved in the extraction of pure metal from their ores? It involved in 3 steps. First step is a concentration of ore. Next one is a extraction of crude metal. Third one is a refining of crude metal. Next question, third question. What is the role of limestone in the extraction of iron from its oxide Fe2O3? Limestone act as a slag. It combine with silica and get converted into calcium silicate, which is called as a slag. Next question. Which type of ore can be concentrated by froth flotation method? Give 2 examples for such ores. Sulfide ore is concentrated by froth flotation method. Example: zinc sulfide and lead sulfide. Next one, fifth question. Describe a method of refining of nickel. This method is called as a Mont process. This is also very important question. The impure nickel is heated in a stream of carbon monoxide at around 350 Kelvin. The nickel react with carbon monoxide to form a high volatile nickel tetracarbonyl. The solid impurities are left behind. Nickel react with carbon monoxide to form a tetracarbonyl nickel. On heating the nickel tetracarbonyl around 460 Kelvin, the complex decomposes to pure metal. This method is called as a refining of. Next question, this is also very important question. Explain zone refining process with example. This method is based on the principle of fractional crystallization. In this process, the impure metal is taken in the form of rod. When the metal is heated with the heater, metal melts. When the heater is moved to other end of the metal, the impurities dissolves in molten zone. The heater moves, the molten zone containing impurities also move along with it. The process is repeated several times to get pure metal. This process is carried out an inert atmosphere to prevent the oxidation of metal. Ge and Si and gallium that are used as a semiconductor are refined by using the zone refining process. This is very important question, 5 mark question. Next one. Explain the following terms with suitable example: gangue and slag. Non-metallic impurities such as silicon impurity and rocky person in the ore is called as a gangue. Next one is a slag. Limestone react with silica to form a calcium silicate. It is called as a slag. CaO calcium oxide react with SiO2 to form a slag CaSiO3 calcium silicate. Next one, give the basic requirement of vapor phase refining. The metal should form a volatile compound with the reagent, and the volatile compound decomposes to give the pure metal. This is the basic requirement for the vapor phase refining process. Next question. Describe the role of following in the process of mentioned. First one, silica in the extraction of copper, cryolite in the extraction of aluminum, iodine in the refining of zirconium, sodium cyanide in the froth flotation method. Silica in the extraction of copper, ferrous oxide combined with silica and removed as a ferrous silicate called as a slag. FeO react with SiO2 to form a slag FeSiO3. Next one, cryolite in the extraction of aluminum. Cryolite, it helps to lower the melting point of the mixer. Next one, sodium cyanide in the froth flotation method. Sodium cyanide act as a depressing agent which prevent other metal sulfide from coming with the froth. Last one, iodine in the refining of zirconium. Iodine react with the zirconium to form a volatile compound. Next question, explain the principle of electrolytic refining with the example. Purification of silver. Anode act as a impure silver, cathode act as a pure silver. Electrolyte, a mixture of silver nitrate and nitric acid act as a electrolyte. When current is passed through this solution, pure silver is deposited at the cathode. At the anode, oxidation takes place, silver is converted into silver plus ion. At the cathode, reduction takes place, silver plus ion accept one electron to form a silver. Next question, define the concentration of ore. This is extra question. Ores are associated with non-metallic impurities, rocky materials and siliceous matter. Removal of these impurities from the ore is known as a concentration of ore. Next one is what is the refining? This is also extra question. Removal of impurities associated with the isolated crude metal is called as a refining process. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.